Good day to the prospective employers in Hong Kong. I'm Risa Logroño, 38 years old. I'm a Catholic. I am high school graduate. I am single but I have live-in partner. I have two children, one boy and one girl, ages 18 and 16 years old. I'm the only one child. I'm live in Mambugbabor, Cavite, Philippines. My hobbies is singing and cooking Filipino food. My work experience as a helper here in Philippines way back 2008 to 2013. I'm served 3 members in the family for 5 years. 2 adults, ages 45 and 40, and 1 elderly, 63 years old. My main duties is taking care of the elderly. She can still walking but only slowly. I will help him to taking a bath, taking a food. Every morning, I will make him to exercise. And I'm also the one who take her to the hospital for check-up. I'm also doing general household chores and taking care of 2 dogs. My second work experience here in Philippines in the year of 2019 to 2020-24. I'm serving 5 members in the family for 5 years. 2 couples, ages 58, 35, 30, and 1 newborn baby. My main duties is taking care of the baby. I feed the baby, bath the baby, change the diaper. I will make sure that the baby is always fine, clean, and fresh all the time. I'm also doing general household chores. To the prospective employers in Hong Kong, I'm just letting you know that I have big tattoo on my right forearm. That's why I have this tattoo, because it's a sign between me and my only friend. Our sign of true friendship. Just in case, I'm just willing to remove my tattoo. To the prospective employers, I am hardworking. I am responsible on my duties. I am trustworthy, honest, obedient, patient, and flexible on work. I will respect your roles and your family. If you hire me, I promise to be a good helper in your family. I will work hard and take care of your family. And most of all, I will treat your family as my own family. I will always listen carefully to all the instruction that you will give to me. And I will always keep in my mind their each and everyone's need. God bless you and thank you.